Right, so a big India bloc meeting is scheduled at about 5 p.m. where all the floor leaders are expected to meet at Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. This will be to chalk out strategy for the parliament, and specifically, remember now that there will be a debate on the address by the president, then there has to be a motion of thanks to which Prime Minister Modi will reply. So there will be a lot of strategy that needs to be put in place. I want to bring in Mosmi Singh for the latest on that. So that's the big news coming in. Remember, because this time, now that there is a leader of opposition, and that's Rahul Gandhi, that the India bloc has a stronger number and presence within the Lok Sabha and also in the Rajya Sabha, they'll want to ensure that they continue to corner the government at the centre consistently. Even though the speaker position hasn't gone to the India bloc, they are aiming for the deputy speaker as well. That's another level of showdown. But for now, there are constant huddles and meetings that are taking place. So Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi, all other floor leaders are expected to be at Kharge's residence. And remember, with Chief Minister of the Karnataka state, Siddaramaiah, also in Delhi, there will be all kinds of meetings that will be taking place to ensure that the voices, specifically where Congress party is stronger, will be reflected and will be mentioned within the parliament. So that's the big news coming in. Stay tuned, as India Today is going to update that about at 5 p.m. what will be the strategy that the India bloc will want to have as opposition, because this will be the first time when the debate happens. They'll have senior and perhaps more leaders than previously in the past 10 years to be able to then counter the government.